Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2001 Dodge Caravan. All of the taillights are located in a single bulb housing. Though you will need to remove a couple of rivets for access, both of the rivets and the housing pry out without hassle to allow you easy access to the bulb assemblies themselves. This vehicle comes equipped with a transmission fluid dipstick, a perk that other models may not have. It is quick to find in the front of the engine bay and removes with ease, allowing you to monitor the reservoir's fluid level whenever necessary. The cabin air filter is easy to reach in the footwell of the vehicle, and though you'll need to disengage a fastener in order to remove its cover, it removes without the use of any tools, which allows for reliable filter changes. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. Though the battery does have open access to its terminals, a bulky cover will need to be disconnected and maneuvered out of the way in order to access the bracket, which itself is located rather deep in the engine bay and may prove difficult to reach. Unlike similar models, the center brake light is not an LED bulb and will thus require more maintenance over time. You'll need to pry the housing out of the vehicle in order to access the bulb assembly, which will first require the removal of multiple screws and prove to be an overall tedious procedure. The spare tire is located underneath the vehicle and must be lowered via the hex nut on the floor of the trunk. This is an unintuitive design, as its location runs the risk of rusting to the undercarriage and becoming inaccessible in the event you'll need to service a flat. Overall, the 2001 Dodge Caravan is a relatively easy vehicle to maintain and would be a good choice for the novice car owner.